In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect a PS5 controller to your PS5. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But right now, I do have a controller actually connected, and essentially this is going to be your player one controller if you already have one connected. That being said, you can connect multiple controllers or even connect your original controller via two different methods. The first method, and by far the easiest and most reliable, is going to be through a USB-C cable. You just got to plug that cable in, and one comes with your PS5, so you should have one. The rest of them are just like your standard iPhone charger, but just plug one into your controller and plug the other end into your PS5. And once it's connected, just press that PlayStation button in the middle of the controller and it'll immediately connect. Your PS5 will then ask who's using this controller, just assign it to any profile or create a new one. And after that, the controller will be fully connected and ready to use. That being said, you can also connect it via Bluetooth by going up to the very top, going up to settings, scrolling down to accessories, selecting general, Bluetooth accessories, and then in this section, if you scroll down to the bottom, you just gotta hold the share button on that PS5 controller and then the PlayStation button on that PS5 controller, and it'll put it in pairing mode, and you'll see it pop up on here where you just need to select it and you'll be good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.